Y'all see what the hell's going on. We at the bike right now. Your boy just finished getting yadded up again. Had to touch up these knuckles. Shit hurting like a bitch, but we finna put the gloves on. Take her out for a spin. You know where we at. We in the good old Jersey City, baby. Grew up in these fucking slums. And look who's here, looking gorgeous as ever. Gonna hop on this bad girl, run some errands, fuck up the city. Rest is history. We in good old Jersey City, baby. If you know, then you know. Niggas done grown up over here. Used to take their system over here and they used to work right there. Like, shit really a different place, bro. If you know, you know. Shit ain't what it used to be, dog. Can't forget my fucking hands is on fire from the yak. Not too far up ahead is Union City, baby, North Bergen. So do what you will with that information. Alright, we about to turn it up in a second here. I just want to make sure y'all following me, you hear me? I'm gonna make sure y'all with me, niggas, because we about to get up on fucking 1 and 9 right now. Alright? Don't be bullshitting the kids. Don't be bullshitting the nigga, bro. Don't be bullshitting me. Getting on the dangerous 1 and 9 with all this traffic, nigga. Dangerous 1 and 9, baby. Give it a little rev bomb, just for the fuck of it. I want y'all to be mindful of that. We about to turn it up for y'all, so. I'm not taking it up a notch just yet, but it's not clear enough. I want to make sure y'all see the scenery up ahead. And now they going. I have to turn up on this thing. You feel me? Take it all in. Yeah, we got my mans over there. He fucking with us. Gotta show him some love. Standing on this hole. Whee! That, my friends, that right there is an 80. And this right here is 17. So, living the life, baby. Living the life. This is what it's all about.